Today in this video, how to fix rate limit exceeded. We have got 100% fix, guys. You can do it for yourself. Let me show you. So after you do the trick, here you can see Twitter pages are loading without any issues. Let me show you. Here you can see Elon Musk page is also loading. So this is a live demonstration, guys. The trick 100% works for each and everyone. And in fact, let me show you in my region, the Twitter is down for now. So let me refresh the page. Here you can see, guys, now the page is not working. So this is how you can fix this one. It's a very simple little fix, very tiny. You can do it very easily. And in fact, once you do the trick, it simply works like a charm. As of right now, the servers are a little bit slow, so it may work slow a little bit, but here's the thing, it works. So let me show you how you can fix the rate limit exceeded. I see this concern right over here into the trending section. What's happening? Twitter down. People say Twitter is down. Guys, Twitter is down, but you can do the trick and get the Twitter working. People are reporting damn Twitter HQ and all that. Now here is the thing, guys. Let me show you some update regarding what's really going on, what people are tweeting. So there are lots of people reporting to the Twitter HQ, blaming the Elon Musk, and there is a lot of chaos going on. But don't worry, guys. Let me show you the 100% confirm fix, and this confirm fix works for everyone. So without a further ado, let me show you how you can use this one. Alright, guys, now here you can see I turned off the trick, and once I refresh the page, let's say I click right over here, boom, you can see, guys, the error is back again. Now let me show you, retrying doesn't work. Definitely the Twitter is down in my region, and turning out the trick, here you can see after retrying the page, boom, it works like a charm. Now let me show you the step-by-step procedure. Okay, so here is the thing, guys. Currently Twitter is experiencing the outage situation. In fact, let me reload the Twitter down detector page, and here you can see, guys, about 5,000 outage reports as of right now. Recently it was 7,500, which is quite a lot. Now let me show you how you can fix this one. Well, the trick is really simple, guys. So let's say this page is not working, and here you can see in my region Twitter is down. So let's say this page is not working. All you have to do is really simple. You need to download any VPN that you'd like to use. You can use Windscribe, TunnelBear, whatever kind of a VPN that you use. Just use the VPN, use another location, for example United States, United Kingdom, and let's turn it on and let's see how it works. So now let me refresh the page, and boom, there you go, guys. Now the page is working. So that's how you can solve this error. And let me demonstrate. If you turn off the VPN and then try to refresh the page, then what happens? Boom, check this out, guys, error is back again. So that's how you can fix the error as of right now. Twitter is trying to actively fix this issue. As of right now, I don't see any latest update. Once I get any latest, I'll keep you posted. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe. And this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.